guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn real money by just playing Fortnite. Just before you carry on with this video, I will say that it's not easy to earn hundreds of pounds a week just playing Fortnite, unless you're incredibly good at the game, which leads us to our first method of making money. Wages are a great way to start earning money. They're usually hosted on third-party websites such as Checkmate Gaming or on Twitch streams. I recommend using Checkmate Gaming because it's really easy to set up. All you have to do is create an account, log in, and then deposit £5 to get started. Of course, you won't earn a great amount of money. You should probably just play a few wages a day to earn a bit of money every day. I'm very sure that playing wages all day, every day, is not good for your brain. I recommend thinking of it as just pocket money that you have to earn. And let's get on to our second method. There's been several, maybe even 100 different tournaments that have been hosted by Epic Games. The tournaments I'm talking about are free to play and cash cups or other styles of cups. You usually have to be in either Contender League or Champions League to actually play them though. As of right now, 8 days before Season 3 of Chapter 2, there aren't any scheduled tournaments, but make sure you go into Arena and grind to Champions League. I almost forgot to say that you can also play third-party tournaments from websites such as Checkmate Gaming again. Most of their tournaments, they cost £1 to enter, and the prizes are from £10 all the way up to £50. There are free tournaments that you can enter on their website, but they're very rare. Let's go on to our third and final way to earn money on Fortnite. This is probably the hardest but most rewarding money-making method. If I think about it, this includes streaming on Twitch and getting people to donate money to you, becoming a YouTuber. To actually earn money on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers within a year, and then you earn roughly £1 for every 1,000 views you get on a video. This number does go up though. A YouTuber with 1 million subscribers will get about $4 or £3 for every 1,000 views they get. You can also sell your merch on websites like Wix or other websites, although for this you need a good fan base. If you're looking to become a YouTuber or Twitch streamer, then subscribe to me and write in the comments I subscribed, and I'll personally go and subscribe to your account. Don't be shy, we're all friends here. Like the video and say something nice to me and I might consider giving you a shout out. And thanks for watching this video. Make sure to turn the notifications on because I'll be going over some hidden ways you can earn a bit of extra money playing Fortnite. And yeah, have a great day.